Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I can show you different types of 3D drawings and optical illusions. Guys, with the help of these videos, you can learn how to make easily the drawing of 3D and optical. The first is a very beautiful pattern. You can also learn in a very easy way. Step by step, I will show you how to make the picture. You only need a scale, a marker, eraser or a pencil for shading. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like my other videos. You can also watch my other videos on my channel. I hope you like my videos. The second drawing, this is a diamond shaped drawing 3D. It shows a 3D effect, and this is a 2 diamond shaped drawing. Step by step you can follow all the steps, then you can draw it very easily. The next drawing, this is a heart shaped drawing. It looks a 3D heart. In this drawing, you need a red sketch, a pencil or a scale. The next drawing, this is a ribbon pattern design. It shows the 2 different color ribbon and tie with each other. Step by step you can follow how to make it, and color different colors in both of the ribbon. Now see, beautiful ribbon design. The next is triangular as well as star 3D illusion. In this drawing, you also use different colors of your choice. I use a black color, red color or pencil for shading. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my all other videos. Thank you.